Have you ever wondered if the universe has an edge, a final wall at the end of everything? For centuries, people imagined falling off the world's edge or meeting sea monsters in the unknown. Today we ask, does the cosmos itself have a boundary? It's tempting to picture a cosmic wall, a border where everything just stops. But the universe isn't like a room or a country with clear borders. Our everyday sense of boundaries doesn't apply to the cosmos. When we ask about the universe's edge, we're really questioning the nature of space itself. The answer isn't simple. It's a journey into the strange realities of modern cosmology. So, let's explore what science tells us about the universe's limits. We'll leave behind our familiar ideas and step into a reality far more wondrous and complex. The quest for the universe's edge is really a search for knowledge, a testament to our endless curiosity. Does it all just stop somewhere out there in the cold, silent dark? To understand the universe's edge, we first need to grasp what the universe is doing. It's expanding. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble discovered that distant galaxies are moving away from us. The farther they are, the faster they recede. This isn't random motion, it's space itself, stretching everywhere at once. Imagine raisin bread rising in the oven. Every raisin moves away from every other, just as galaxies do. There's no center, no special spot. Every observer sees the same expansion. But what is the universe expanding into? Surprisingly, there's no outside. The expansion is a property of space-time itself, not a bubble growing in a larger void. This idea is hard to picture, but it's key. The universe is everything. There's no external space. The edge, if it exists, can't be a simple line we cross. Instead, it must be something far stranger. Understanding this cosmic stretch is the first step to solving the riddle of the universe's boundary. The universe doesn't need an outside to exist or grow. It's a self-contained, dynamic entity. Imagine building a starship that travels in a straight line for billions of years, aiming for the universe's edge. We'd pass galaxies in vast emptiness, but would we ever hit a wall? The classic image of an edge, a boundary you can touch, runs into problems. What would a cosmic wall be made of? And what's beyond it? As we travel, space itself stretches ahead of us, expanding faster than light in the most distant regions. Some parts of the universe are forever beyond our reach, beyond our cosmic horizon. No matter how fast we go, we can't reach these regions. Instead of hitting a wall, modern physics suggests something stranger. After an unimaginable journey, we might end up back where we started. The universe may not have an edge at all. How could you travel straight and end up back home? Think of Earth travel east and you'll circle the globe, never finding an edge. Earth is finite but unbounded. No walls, just a looping surface. Now imagine this in 3 dimensions. Einstein's theory allows for a universe curved in on itself, finite but without boundaries. In such a universe, a straight path eventually loops back. There's no wall, no outside. Space contains all there is. Or the universe could be infinite and flat, stretching on forever. Scientists measure the cosmos's geometry, and so far it appears nearly flat. This could mean it's infinite, or so vast its curvature is undetectable. Either way, there's no edge to be found. The universe is either a looping, finite space, or an endless expanse. Both possibilities defy our everyday intuition. The cosmos is stranger than any border we can imagine. Even if science points to a universe without an edge, our imaginations wander. What if there is a boundary, and what lies beyond? One idea: absolute nothingness, where even space and time cease. Another: the multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble among many, each with its own laws of physics. The edge in this view is a membrane separating us from other universes. Or perhaps reality is stranger still, something we can't yet conceive. Like a fish unaware of the world beyond its pond, we may not grasp what's outside our universe. The search for the edge may reveal there was never one at all. The real frontier is the boundary of our understanding, and as long as we keep asking, we'll keep pushing that boundary further.